Okay, the last one I want to do for you is probably number 14. And then the rest of the hour I fully expect for you to do your homework. If you can have at least 25 or at least one column of the name writing done, I'll give you a bonus stamp for your homework. And I'll check that when I get back tomorrow. If you have both columns done, I'll give you 2 bonus stamps for your homework. That extra credit will come in very handy as we approach the next 2 tests, I promise. All right, number 14 says HgF2. So let's look at our rules. The compound does have more than one atom, so I'm going to move down. Does the compound have metallic and non-metallic? Mercury is a metal, fluorine is a non-metal, so yes. Are there more than 2 types of atoms? Oh, we went crazy again. Let's see here. Garbage. Are there more than 2 types of atoms? The answer to that is no. There is only 2. Now, we're down here, which is new to us. Hold on. There we go. So we're down here. Now it says, is the first atom, we've had this before, a member of family 1, 2, aluminum, zinc, silver, or cadmium? The answer to that is no, it is not. Now, these 3 boxes, notice that it switches, and now I'm asking you a question about the second atom. So the second atom is F in this particular example. So does the second atom belong to family 7? That is a yes. So I'm now down here in this box. This might sound a little bit familiar, but multiply the number of second atoms by 1. It seems ridiculous, but it follows this pattern. If you look here, we might multiply by 3, by 2, by 1. All right, so let's see here. So the second atoms I multiply by 1. So I have 2 times 1, that equals 2. Alright, use this as a Roman numeral to follow the element name of the first atom. So here we go, we have mercury. I'm going to change that to a Roman numeral 2. And then I'm going to write fluoride. I'm going to be done. Okay, fairly simple. Not the hardest thing ever. Alright, let's do one last one. Let's look at number 10 because it can be a beast. We have TiP3, metal, non-metal. So we're actually going to end up right back over in this region, but we'll end up in a different box. Alright. Okay, we had Ti3P4. So now we're looking at the second atom. Alright, is phosphorus a member of family 7? The answer is no. Alright, is phosphorus a member of family 6? Alright, I hit record and it didn't record. I don't know how much I skipped. But the answer is titanium for phosphide. Alright, we got that from the bottom left corner. I think I probably got that. Now the rest of this time, please, if I'm repeating myself, I'm sorry, my timer just paused for some reason. I don't know how far I got, but let's just quickly. Phosphorus, we were down in this bottom left-hand corner. Alright, it was in families 3, so we took the number of phosphorus atoms and multiplied it by 3, and then we divided by the first numbers. So we had 4 times 3 was 12, divided by 3 was 4. We changed that to a Roman numeral. I've got titanium 4 phosphide. Okay, once again, bonus points for the homework for one column, double the bonus points for others, and that will be convenient. These next 2 tests are pretty difficult. Please use this time wisely to get those done. Okay, good luck. Thank you for listening.